There's something so relaxing about baking a cake.
Ooh, cake!
Do you want to help me?
I'm helping Mom. No, I am! Take that! Ow! You're so annoying! But two can play that game. Catch!
Play nice.
Oh, it's on! I'm lactose intolerant! You're going down!
Sky, don't be mean.
Now it's personal! Give me that egg! Do you know how long it takes to get my hair like this? It looks excellent! I'm innocent, Mom!
Miles, no!
That may have been a mistake.
Miles!
Now you're in trouble!
Oh, stop it! I'm covered in flour. That's it. I've had enough. There's only one thing for it.
This doesn't sound good. Huh? Where are we? I don't remember this room. Who cares? I look good. I'm still mad at you. This is so exciting.
Here's the first challenge.
Ooh, watermelon! Wow, it looks amazing! I'm gonna try it.
Not so fast. That's too easy.
Okay.
Check this out.
Wow, you look so glamorous!
You've not seen anything yet.
Oh, wow.
Whoa! How did you do that?
I'm not finished.
It's witchcraft!
No, I'm just that good. You've got to make something tasty. Go!
This is so cool! And it's mine! I better get to work. I need to think about this. I'll take the logical approach. Interesting. I have to do some more research. I can't make any mistakes. It has to be precise. Okay, I think I've got it. Now I'll mark a line out on the watermelon. So far so good. Time to cut it in half. I'll use a scientific method. Gravity! Whoa! I can't believe that worked! Wait, I only need one half. Oh, cool! I'll scoop out the flesh. And I know how to do it. It's so juicy. I enjoyed that. Oops, I've got a little something on my face. I'll use this melon scoop. It's not as messy as using your mouth. This can go. But now, I don't have any watermelon. Huh? Where did that come from? Now that's handy. See ya! Got it! You're out of here. Keep it coming, Miles! This is great! What a catch! This is never ending. I think that should do it. This is perfect.
Wow. Yes!
It's just what I need. I'll pour in some strawberry-flavored Jell-O powder. This'll be tasty. I feel like a goldfish. I'll pour the water into the shell. Then I'll mix it. I just need to wait until it sets. It's so wobbly. I want to try something. Whoa! It worked! I better give it a taste test. Just look at it. Here goes. It's so yummy. I better decorate my dish. I have some delicious fresh fruit. I'll add it to the watermelon. How about some grapes? This is looking pretty.
Time is running out.
Oh, I need to be quick. I'm almost finished. There, that should do it. I'm all done.
Oh, I love watermelon. Oh, are you both done?
What the? Wait, I have an idea. I'll push a wooden skewer into both sides of the rind and attach it to the watermelon. It's like a big fruity basket. Uh-huh. Wait, what? I don't believe it. You made that? I know. It's impressive. I wonder who will win.
I'll be the judge of that. They both look so good. So creative, Sky. And Miles, very clever. I can't wait to try them. The Jell-O looks great.
How is it, Mom?
It's tasty. This is tough. There's only one option. It's a tie! Well done!
That seems fair. That's not gonna happen.
Okay, now the violins. Wonderful. Oh, awkward.
Hey.
Time for the next challenge.
Ooh, cookies! This is awesome! Chocolate wafers! Wow! I love these. Thanks, Mom. What should I do with them? This is tricky.
What am I supposed to do with these?
I can't think of anything. Aw, I broke it. This is a disaster. Unless… I think I know what to do. First, I need a glass. I'll place the wrapper into the glass. Now I can open it up. Next, I need a jug of milk. I'll pour the milk into the wrapper. I'll fill it all the way up. I'll make sure all the crumbs are covered. Then I can put a popsicle stick into it. There's one last thing to do. I need to freeze it. That should do it. Let's see what it's like. This is gonna be good. Wow! Look at that! It looks tasty, but it's not quite right. Oh, I know! I need some chocolate. I'll use a hot spoon to melt it. It smells amazing. That's perfect. I think I deserve a little treat. I love chocolate. Okay, back to the challenge. I'll pour the chocolate into the glass. I don't want to spill any. I'm gonna need it all. Now for the fun part. I'll dip the popsicle into the chocolate. I want to coat it all. Wow, that was quick! And it looks so yummy! But I can make it even tastier. I have this bottle of caramel sauce. I can drizzle it over the popsicle. Oh yeah, that's it! Does it get any better than that? Yeah, it does! I can add sprinkles to it! This has to be the best popsicle ever! Call me Sprinkle Bay! My mouth is watering. I think it's ready. I mean, it's a work of art.
I better do something. I'll remove the top from the cookie. And eat it! Oh, the challenge. Right. I'll use a knife to remove the filling. Oops. That could have been messy. And I'll eat this part too. That was nice. Let's try that again. This is kind of fun. I'll keep removing the filling. Time's running out. You need to speed up. It's all under control. I'm building a tower. This is the last one. It's not very stable. I'll just borrow this. I can use this to skewer my cookie fillings. That feels so satisfying. What's next? Oh, I'll need a plate. There we go. It's not what I was expecting, Sky. I'll try the popsicle first. Caramel. Good choice. It's got a good crunch from the chocolate. It's excellent. It's a little hard to eat, but I'll give it a go. Oh, nice. You both did well. The winner is… both of you! Really? I'll take it!
It should have been me.
I still won, technically.
I wonder what's next.
Ready to find out? Whoa! Poppets!
There's so many! This is the best day ever! They're mine!
No, they're mine!
I need a closer look. It's definitely a Poppet. This gives me an idea. I better get into costume. I can't forget my chef's hat. Let's do this! I have a piping bag full of red candy. But I'll need different colors. It's like a rainbow. I'll start with red. The Poppet will act like a mold. Okay, let's change colors. Wow, this yellow is so bright. I need to keep it tidy. Gotta keep going. I'm starting to feel the pressure. That's better. Thanks.
This is boring. Nah, I don't want this one. A circle? Nope. That can go. This is more fun than the challenge. Wait! A heart! This is the one! It's so cute! Now I can start. Oh yeah, that feels good. She's right, it does.
There's no time to waste! This looks ready. I'll peel the candy out of the Poppet. This is pretty satisfying. This is the last one. Wow, I could eat them right now. But I need to resist. I'll cut them into individual dimples. Just like this. Then I'll put them in a large mold. Next I need a clear gelatin mixture. I'll pour that into the bowl. Then wait for it to set. Now I can remove it from the mold. Wow! It's better than I thought! It's so colorful! I'm a culinary genius! I should be a professional chef. It looks great! I can't wait to eat it! It'll taste so good! I'm done, Mom!
I'm glad to hear it. Oh no! I'm running out of time! I'll start by cutting the dimples out of the poppet. Whoa, there's a lot! Hey Mom! I can see you! Focus! I'll put them into a bowl. This is easy. Now I'll pour in milk. That should be enough. Just in time!
It's judging time!
Wow! Look at that! You want me to eat that? Why? What's wrong with it? Hey! What's that?
Huh? I don't see anything.
Now's my chance. Mmm, chewy! It's so good. I need the recipe.
What's going on?
I'll put that to one side. At least I can eat this one. Look at it wobble.
Who will win?
This one's easy. Miles!
Are you kidding me?
Ready for one more? How do I look?
This is weird.
Mom? Oh look, I have cotton candy.
Gimme!
It's my
Hey! Stop moving!
Take it!
I'm trying!
I'm getting dizzy.
Got it!
You always ruin my fun.
That's a little harsh.
Okay, let's go.
Huh? How did you do that? Mmm, tasty! I know what to do with this. This one's easy. I'll lay the cotton candy on the chopping board. And I'll need a rolling pin. I'll flatten it out. Then I'll sprinkle over mini cookies. Oh, I want one! Next I'll add mini marshmallows. I wish I was a clown. Where did my balloon go? This looks like a delicious fluffy cloud. It's got to have sprinkles. Whoa, so pretty! I definitely eat this. But there's more to do. Whoa! I love balloons! I'll scoop some ice cream onto it. Wow, this is like a dream come true! It's got everything I could want. Now for the hard part. I'll fold it like a burrito. Mom, I hope you're hungry. Just save some for me. How's Sky doing?
Wow! I made a flower! What do you think? Time's almost up! Ding ding ding! Wow, Miles, this looks yummy! Sky, where's your dish?
Oh, yeah, I was distracted.
What happened?
There were balloons! I have an idea! Hold on. I hope you like magic. Where did I go? I mean, where did Sky go?
Wow, what a show!
It's actually me. I'm in disguise.
It's a tie. Well done.
Yes! I did it!
Really?
I'm the greatest!
That was one tasty challenge. We hope it left you hungry for more. But who do you think served up the best dishes? Miles or Sky? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.